Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the 8th match in round 1. Scores are Holy Childhood High on 27, York Castle High on 28. You'll have noticed Holy Childhood lost a point during the break. The answer given to the question, what is the world's tallest waterfall? The answer given was the Angels Waterfalls. Judges decided not to accept. It is Angel Falls. Angel, singular. With that, we get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. With that, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which woman of Joppa, who was full of good works, Holy Childhood High?
Dorcas.
Or Tabitha, correct. Biology, what is the name for a 3-carbon alcohol with a hydroxyl group attached to each carbon? York Castle.
A trial.
Incorrect. Glycerol or glycerin. English language, give an 8-letter word that begins with M, which is used to describe someone who is usually unorthodox and who exhibits independence in thought and action. That person is a maverick. Local affairs of Visual 1 teams, look on the screen and identify this person, please. York Castle.
Michelle Charles.
MP for East St. Thomas, correct. Chemistry, what is the molarity when 10 grams of sodium hydroxide is completely dissolved in 1 liter of water? .25 moles per liter. Music and Audio 1 teams, listen to the clip and give the title of this song. Holy Childhood.
You say I'm crazy.
I'm not the only one.
Not the only one.
Not the only one.
Okay, I'm not the only one is what I have. That is incorrect. General knowledge, what is the capital of Canada? York Castle.
Ottawa.
Correct. Spanish, what is the slipper in Spanish? York Castle.
La
Zapatilla.
Correct. Geography, what is the name of the layer in the Earth's mantle consisting of highly viscous, mechanically weak, and ductile rock lying just below the lithosphere? Holy Childhood.
Mesolithosphere.
Asthenosphere. Incorrect. Theatre and cinema of Visual 1. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please.
Let's go.
That's local actor Brian Johnson. Information technology. What is the name for a robotic network of computers which can be controlled remotely and is often used in a denial of service attack? Botnet. History. In what year did Jamaica hold its first general election? Holy Childhood.
1944.
After independence, 1967. Mathematics. What is the square of 19? York Castle.
381.
361. Physics, what is the name for the energy an object has by virtue of its position? Holy Childhood.
Potential.
Energy.
Correct, or stored energy. Sport of Visual 1, look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Ben Youssef Maite. Jamaican heritage, what dialect phrase starting with F is used to describe people who love to emulate or try to do things exactly like someone else? Holy Childhood before the bell?
Falafashin.
Correct, or falafashin monkey. French, what is the name for a baked egg-based dish which originated in early 18th century France and is made with egg yolks and beaten egg whites combined with various other ingredients and served as a savory main dish or sweetened as a dessert? York Castle.
Omelette.
Incorrect, that's a souffle. Literature in the novel Animal Farm. Who was Napoleon's information minister? Squealer. Art. Which specific Italian style of art used material like soil, cement, twigs, and newspapers? Arte Povera. Bible knowledge. At what place did the Israelites... And that was the bell. Not sure if the buzz came before the bell, but no, that's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores are Holy Childhood on 27, York Castle High on 28. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.